That was scary.
Action, what do we think?
It's one way to get rid of the expanding foam, isn't it?
I mean, yeah, you're not wrong. I mean,
I can't lie. I was quite happy welding up here, sat on top of that, and I said, boys, why is my arse getting hot? No response. But, boys, my arse is getting really, really hot, my legs are starting to burn. Look underneath me, there's a fucking bonfire.
I don't really know how that happened.
I mean,
we should probably put this out.
nah, Rick. So, like Harrison said, it's one way to get rid of the expanding foam.
It's not good.
And there's only so long the fire can burn for.
So all in all,
It's going to get really hot in that.
thing is, it's going to spread to all the other things as well.
That's really hot. Is it hot?
Bit. Yeah.
Yeah? What we've done here is piss Milo off a bit more with a bonfire.